tending poultry farmers. You don't need a battery cage to start your poultry farming. You don't need this cage. I see some people coming to me and they say, hey, I want to start my poultry farming, but I don't have cage. Please, how much is cage? I want to buy cage. Wait. I know this is coming from me. First for cages for people. I source for new cages, old cages, hot galvanized cage, cold galvanized, imported, China, tech cage. I source for different cages for people all over the world. I'm telling you, this is coming from me that I source for cage for people. Because you don't need a cage to start your poultry farming journey. What you just need is to get an accommodation. Call it penthouse. Then your bed and feed. And also your poultry equipment, your feeders, your drinkers, your wood shavings, and a lot more. But not barricade. Don't start rushing and looking for barricade money. I'm not sure if this girl understand you. What you need to start is not cage. Simple. Thank me later.